Okay, here are the 3 prototype boards for the Mark II.
Yep.
We've done a DC check. These boards have never been tested yet, so everything looks good so far. And we're going to plug it in, and hopefully we see some LEDs blink. Not blink, but just turn on. Oop.
That's because of some inherent charge. So I'm going to turn it on now.
Oh, okay. Well, go ahead. What should we see again? There we go.
Yep.
That means this SoC has not booted. That's the processor error, because we don't have anything in there. It should come up as red, which means the SoC is powered okay.
That's right.
Probably.
Yep.
That's great. Excellent. No smoke.
No
I
smoke.
don't see any smoke. No heat. Looks good. All right.